In today's global marketplace, great products need to get built faster than ever. SOLIDWORKS 2018 introduces enhancements that will help you deliver assembly designs in record time and with less effort. When creating a linear pattern of components, you now have the ability to add an optional rotation. After choosing a number of instances, you can simply select a rotation reference and specify the incremental angle. This speeds up the creation of all kinds of innovative designs and removes the need for additional features. Adding mates between hidden surfaces can be challenging. SOLIDWORKS 2018 speeds up the process by allowing you to temporarily hide surfaces while in the Mate command by pressing the Alt key. You can now select a hidden face and get your parts in place fast. When working with components of different units or even imported parts, it's common for this scenario, where the pins of the burner and the holes of the body do not exactly match. Previously, it would not be possible to add the second concentric mate. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2018, you can create misaligned mates. This allows two concentric mates to be solved correctly by maintaining the concentricity of either mate or by shifting the component symmetrically between the two. SOLIDWORKS accurately displays the results, giving you instant feedback. The Feature Manager displays useful information about the misalignment. The deviation of each mate from concentricity is shown, and you can set the maximum allowable deviation. This value can also be controlled by the document property. Misaligned Mate shows up clearly in the Mates folder, and for additional control, the ability to create these misaligned mates can be disabled via the system option. This new capability removes the need to make small changes to legacy components that may be used in many assemblies. Creating explode views is a great way to understand and communicate your designs in SOLIDWORKS. Now, with SOLIDWORKS 2018, you can quickly and easily create automatic explode lines using the Smart Explode Line tool. SOLIDWORKS automatically gathers all the components in the explode view and previews each explode line. The explode line for each component defaults to the bounding box, but you can easily choose the origin or even drag to any other point. SOLIDWORKS also allows you to apply this to every other identical instance, saving a load of time and effort. As you would expect, modifying the explode view updates the explode lines instantly, keeping everything accurate and up to date. These are just some of the enhancements in SOLIDWORKS 2018 that improve your day-to-day productivity and get your products built faster.